Yo, you want to put more stuff in your roof, but you don't have the budget for it? I gotcha.
The truth is, I'm not really sure what happened.
If you came to prove, there's no reason to prove.
So LFD Offroad is a North Carolina company that specializes in making off-road products. Not just the crossbars, but skid plates, bumpers, and even full roof racks. So these crossbars are not new. They have been in the market for years. And I just want to share with you my experiences. Full disclosure, this is not a sponsored video, but I would like to thank my sponsor, you. I would like to thank you for taking your time out of your day and watching this video. I appreciate you. Okay, let's get back to it. So when I got my 4Runner, I always wanted a roof rack, like every other 4Runner owner. I mean, it's one of the most popular mods out there. It's not just functional, but it looks great too. But it's definitely pricey. Until I found out about this crossbars by LFD Offroad and I started looking for one. So I have attached an awning, a roam case, and even my traction boards. I'm also even thinking of putting my water port up there as well. So why did I went with this kit compared to a full roof rack? Number one, definitely cheaper than a roof rack. I believe it costs around $300 to $400 for stainless steel and carbon steel around $500. And this one that I currently have, I got it for $200 in Facebook Marketplace, which is a bargain in my opinion. So a lot of people get this first and they grow out of it. If there is not enough space, then they go to the full roof rack and they sell it for half the price. Number two, I don't really need the full surface area of a roof rack. So right now with the roam case and the awning, it certainly works for me. And I'm already thinking of putting the water port up top. Currently my water port is in my hitch. But if I'm trailing, of course, I want that extra clearance in the back. If the surface area that you need on your roof is where the stock cross rails are, then this would be perfect for you. But if you want a light bar up top of your roof, then there's not a full roof rack or I think a 7/8 roof rack. If you want a rooftop tent, I've seen people use these crossbars to put tent, but again, it depends on the tent. If the tent is only from the stock rails size, I would say, then it might work. But there is some rooftop tents that goes over that space of the stock rail right in the front where the sunroof, moonroof is, then you definitely want to get a roof rack. All right, let's talk about other factors regarding this kit. Number one, install is pretty easy. No drilling, no glues, no silicones. You don't even need to remove your stock cross rails. Wind noise, I never really experienced wind noise with this kit. Next would be mounting points. So there's multiple mounting points along the cross rails. So I've used carriage bolts when it comes to this. So the good thing about this is I can just go to a hardware store and get some bolts and nuts for it. Next is bar height. So the crossbars are definitely higher compared to the stock cross rails. So there's different brands that make crossbars for stock rails for the 5th gen 4Runner. And LFD Offroad is one of the OG companies that does it. I believe Victory 4x4 does it. Cali Race does it now. Am I missing? I think that's it. If there's any other companies that you know that makes crossbars for stock cross rails of the 4Runner, leave a comment below. But like other companies like Cali Race and Victory 4x4, their crossbars are actually flush and it does give a cleaner look. But I think the issue with that is if you have big hands, mounting stuff like putting your hands underneath the bar, holding the bolt, holding the nut, it's gonna be a challenge. But LFD's bar height has never bothered me. Again, there's no wind noise. But actually it did help me a little bit, especially with the awning. When I added the Ironman 4x4 quick disconnect for the awning, that's where I believe the height is an advantage for me. All right, so like I said, this product is not new, but LFD Offroad has a new product of crossbars that is not just made of steel or carbon steel, but it is made of aluminum extrusion. The extrusion that you would see in major brands when it comes to full roof racks like Sherpa, Prinsu, Cali Raised, RCI, which is, I think, kind of cool. I haven't seen one, but looking at the quality of these crossbars, I could actually assure you that the quality of those are great. And also it's aluminum, so lighter. A lot of companies use it, so probably their accessories can work with these crossbars. Well, that's about everything that I can tell you about this crossbars. If this video is giving you some value, hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Paalam.